Hey Brandon, my name's Sean here at Tamron Honda. I'm going to be your True Car specialist here at the dealership. I want to thank you for inquiring on the 2020 Honda Accord. I have the EXL right behind me. And I want to show you a couple of standout features in it. One, you're going to have the LED headlights, LED running lights, and LED fog lights on the bottom. You're going to have aluminum alloy wheels. You're going to have breakaway mirrors. Keyless entry, all you do is grab the handle, leather seats, Apple CarPlay, Bluetooth, moonroof, blind spot indicators. This thing is unbelievable. I want to show it to you in person. Please give me a call when you get a chance, 205-965-5788. You'll see the missed call on your phone. If I can promise you one thing, when you get here, you're going to love the way you're treated.